I think you're having a great time. Welcome to my another new video. In this video, I'll be talking about other ways to say you're so beautiful. So, coming up. You're so beautiful. There are so many expressions about this. So, you can use different expressions instead of you're so beautiful. Sometimes we have to praise someone or we have to impress someone. We also say you're so beautiful to impress someone. You can use different expressions. For example, you're so stunning. You're so stunning. You are so gorgeous. You are so gorgeous. You're so nice. You're so nice. You're really pretty nice. You're really pretty nice. You look so radiant. You look so radiant. I think you're really cute. I think you're really cute. Wow. You are gorgeous. Wow. You are gorgeous. Wow. You are really gorgeous. Wow. You are really gorgeous. You are beyond gorgeous. You are beyond gorgeous. You look fantastic. You look fantastic. You look really fantastic. You look really fantastic. You look absolutely fantastic. You look absolutely fantastic. I can take my eye off of you. I can take my eye off of you. You are so adorable. You are so adorable. Okay, so now your turn. Practice out loud with each expression and use this expression in your daily conversation. Okay, now I think you found this video more useful. If you do that, give a thumbs up. If you are new here, subscribe on my channel to obtain upcoming all videos. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.